Can tapping cartoon owls really get you conversational in Japanese, or is Duolingo just a glorified game? Let's break down Duolingo's Japanese course, starting with vocabulary. It introduces basic words and phrases, great for absolute beginners, but it often lacks the depth and nuance you need for real-world conversations. Next, grammar. Duolingo presents grammar points incrementally, but the explanations are often simplified, leaving gaps in your understanding of sentence structure and particles, so supplement with outside resources. Pronunciation gets a mixed review. The speech recognition can be forgiving, sometimes accepting slightly inaccurate pronunciations, so be sure to compare your pronunciation with native speakers. The verdict: Duolingo is a decent starting point, a fun supplement, and a vocabulary builder, but it won't make you fluent on its own. You need to combine it with other resources, immersion, and practice to truly master Japanese. Now go get learning.